video right now.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
Oh
so,
my God. Do not film me. I will break the camera.
Do you know whose camera this is?
I don't care.
You don't, really? You don't want to tell him whose camera it is?
Stop where you are. Whose camera is it?
Lee Kiley, do you know him over there?
Yeah, you might want to delete the last bit.
Oh, good times. You on film, guys? You can do anything special?
We can do anything tonight.
Anything special for the camera?
Special. I think Moonies are probably out the window.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Look at that flying pig.
Anyway, moving on. Guys, you're on video. Anything? You enjoying the barbecue? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You having a good time then?
We'll not be smiling.
Oh, okay, never mind. It's on video. It's not a camera.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I'm filming the whole time.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah, woo! Hey guys, you're on video. You having a fun time?
Oh yeah, cracking.
Yeah, very well organised, wouldn't you say?
Well, Troy could do a lot better, like, you know what I mean? He's run out of gas.
You're having a fun time then, guys?
Just say Troy's
Good
run
time,
out of
good
beer
time.
and he needs to
You've
sort
still
it.
got another 3 left, so you're doing alright.
That's alright.
Anyway,
Just follow her on.
you having a fun time, guys?
Yeah, cracking, but
Video.
Troy's run out of beer.
It's actually video right now, so...
Troy's run out of beer, fellas.
Yeah, filming right now. Hi.
Troy's
Hey.
run out of beer.